Hi, good morning everyone. How are you? Yes, today we come with another video and we have an interesting topic today. We are working on Excel. I'm going to show you how you can fill the data in the different directions. So I have just prepared one sample Excel sheet for you. So let's go for it. Okay, now we are in Excel sheet. You can see I have a table that I keep the blank cells on this side, right? So what we're going to do, I want to fill Saudi Arabia all down, all the way to down. What we need it, first of all, we need to shift it down. Okay, we take shade to all the cells that we need to work on it, and we'll just simply hold the control and press D. So it is copying down all the data. Similar way, if you want, I keep it here, KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and leave this right side all empty. So if you want to continue filling the data with the set of KSA, we simply click Control and R. You can see it is filled data as it is. Similarly, even it is a formula, you can see it is a formula here, and you can just shade it out what data you want to be copied there, and just simply click the Control and R. So you see the formula is already copied. You can just simply test the formula as well. Okay, you can see the formula is copied already. And now we have the other two ways. We have to fill it up. To fill it up, I keep the data down. So again, we need to do the same way, but this time the formula is going to be different, not by the Control U. It will not work by Control U. We have Alt plus H. You can see all the keys are on now. So we'll press F and then I. Okay, and then we can either select or we can press the U. Okay, so it will work up all the way. So you see the data is filled all the way up. Okay, finally we have missed the left data. So again, we are going to shade it. Again, the same thing. Alt H is going to give you the keys, and you can press Fi and you can click L. This time I keep it with the keys all the time. Okay, now you will see the last thing that I'm going to display for the formula also is going to be left. So again, I will press Alt H, Fi, and then L. So you see it is all filled. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like and share button, and comment please.